Well, howdy do, and welcome to Butt Fuzz Workshop. Today, the 10th of December, 2019, Apple announced the Mac Pro, the new Mac Pro, the killer machine, starting at $6,000. Now, that, my friends, is pure money grabbing at the just people who are stupid. But anyway, let me show you the right way to do Mac. And keep in mind that this is all done for even the hardware involved well under $500. If you buy used hardware, we're talking the cost of two VMware Workstation Pro licenses. That's about $320, and I'm running it on a $100 16 core server. Anyway, check this out. And I know, just get to it. The session I'm going to have is only in 4 gig of RAM. So no, it's not going to burn any barns, but for God's sake. Yeah, that's right. That's what I say to Apple. So we're just busting it across the network here. This is not running locally. All right, Catalina, 4 gigs now. It could perform a lot better. I can't remember how much I have had. I drank a 12-pack with my dad. Beer, it's liquid bread, it's good for you. I'm gonna drink. And there you have it. Catalina over RDX. And check this out. Looks a lot like a Mac to me. Thanks for watching. Now run out there and get that $6,000 machine. Chop, chop.